Hello everyone, today we will learn Tufan title song final solo. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will play this solo along with the song and then we will break it down. So now we will learn this solo step by step. The first part goes like this. In 5th string, 7th fret, 7th, 7th, 9th, 10th. Then 10, 10, and on 4th string you will play 7th fret, 9th fret, and then again 7th fret. So you will play the 4th string by slide it down from 7th fret to 9th fret and then again slide it back to 7th fret. I hope you understood till now. So the next part is it goes like this. After sliding down from 7 to 9 and 9 to 7, then you will play 7, 9, then slide it to 10 and again play 10. So till now it goes like this. For the next part, you will play on 7th fret, 3rd string, and then hammer on to 9th fret. Then you will move to 2nd string, 7th fret, and then hammer on pull off to 8th fret. And then again come back to 9th fret, 3rd string. Then you will come back to 7th fret, 3rd string, and then 9th fret, 4th string, and then again 7th fret, 3rd string to 9th fret, 3rd string. So this part is very similar to the previous one, but just different in the end. You will play like this. So the change is you will hammer on pull off on 9th fret and then you will play 9th fret, 4th string. So we will play both parts together. It goes like this. So till now our solo looks like this. So the next part is 7th, 8th, 10th on 2nd string, 7th, 8th, 10th on 1st string, and then slide it towards 12th fret, 1st string. Sorry. Okay. Now you will bar 1st and 2nd string on 10th fret and then play only 1st string. Then you'll start doing this. So you will play 12th and then you will pull off from 12 to 10. Then you will do the same thing on the 2nd string, 12 to 10 pull off. Then you will play 12th on 3rd string, then you will do pull off from 12 to 10. Okay, now you will slide from 12 to 14 on the first string, then play 14th, 12th, and then bend on 15th fret. It goes like this. Hope you understood. Now slide from 14th fret to 16th fret on third string, and then play 15th fret on second string. Then bend on 17th fret second string, then again, and then a little vibrato. Then pull off from 17th to 15th, then play 16th on third fret, 15th on second fret, and then again bend 3 times. Now play 17th fret second string, 15th fret first string, and then bend on 17th fret first string, then again bend, and then pull off from 17th, and then again play 17th. So it goes like this. Let's play the whole solo part a bit slowly so that you all can relate. Thank you.